po the safety and efficacy of the combination metformin with glimepiride po, Doctor. In the treatment of patients with type 2 diabetes, uncontrolled with metformin monotherapy po, Doctor. Doctor, with patients with type 2 diabetes, uncontrolled with metformin for at least 4 weeks po, din po yung nagkaroon, Doctor. Doctor, this is the naging result is 1,551 patients who were included into the intention to treat o ITT population to the safety analysis, which means po, Doctor, nagkaroon ng low incidence of like hypoglycemia po sa mga pasyente natin, Doctor. Bali, nagkaroon po ng low incidence of the result was 2.71% po experience ng low hypoglycemia. Now, Doctor, how does it appeal to you po, Doctor? I hope you will be more confident in prescribing our Acelix 2 mg with your diabetic patients because Acelix 2 mg po, Doctor, it's a proven and safe and effective, favorable dosaging and assures patients compliance, economically priced at 15.50 per count. And Doctor, just I hope this study will help you or boost your confidence to prescribe our product Acelix 2 mg.